Hey everybody, and welcome to the Planner Place. So if you like planner related videos, I hope that you will stick around and subscribe. I have tons of videos all about different planners, plan with me videos, pen tests, and lots more. So today I have an unboxing, and this is a Chic Sparrow order that I placed about a week ago, and I picked up an item from the Happy Accidents section. So if you don't know, on Chic Sparrow there is a Happy Accidents option when you are searching for traveler's notebooks, and basically these did not pass their quality control test for whatever reason, so they are at a discounted price. I believe they are discounted 10%. They also have a retired section for leathers that have been retired that are discounted at 20%. Now the first one that I purchased was from the retired section because I wanted to try it out, and these traveler's notebooks are expensive. So I have found that I love the traveler's notebooks. I love the quality, I love the options. So like I said, I decided to try the Happy Accident section. So today I'm going to show you the Huckleberry and the Cascade Folio Creme. And we are going to go ahead and just open this right up. And I did pick this up for my Weeks style planner that is similar to the Hobonichi Weeks. Okay, so we have the order slip, and on the order slip I did ask for, let's see, I think I asked for no, that I wanted leathers without any like bite marks or moles or anything like that. So we will see how this looks. And I wanted to pick this up a while ago. I just went with the chamomile instead, and I absolutely love my chamomile, but this color just kept calling my name. So here we go. Wow. You guys, this is way more than I expected. Okay, so now my chamomile creme that I have is a smooth matte. This is more of a full grain textured matte, which is really pretty. Hopefully the camera is catching this color. It does have the white stitching, the black band, and let me show you the back, the new Chic Sparrow logo right there, which is really pretty. And we're going to open this up. So like I said, this is the Cascade Folio. So on one side it has the folio pocket, on one side is the folio right here, and on this side it has the Cascade pocket. So upon looking at it, I think this is also the removable pen loop. Yes, it is. So just upon first glance, I don't see any like defects, as they would call them, or I mean it must have been something minute for them to say that this, you know, is part of the Happy Accidents collection, because I think that it's beautiful. So this, like I said, is the Huckleberry Cascade Folio Creme, and I love it. It's got one band to keep it closed, and that's what I was looking for. And you guys, it's just so pretty. It's a beautiful, deep, almost, I don't want to say burgundy because it's definitely not red. It's just a beautiful huckleberry color. I'm so excited to set this up. So I'm going to do another video where I show you what I'm going to put inside of this. I am going to use this as my work planner, so I will give you guys an update. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you are interested in this particular style and color, please let me know in the comment section down below what planner you are using for 2021, or are you switching it up with an academic year for the summer? So let me know, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.